gardening thing. We're starting a gardening video ring or whatever you want to call it. Anyway, please like and subscribe. And if you have any comments, please comment down below. Thanks a lot, guys.
Thanks.
This is my wife, Stephanie.
Hello.
And today I'm Fix It Chris 123 Go, as you guys know. And today we are going to show you guys how to make a flavored coffee syrup at home by yourself. Today we're going to show you guys how to make a caramel flavored coffee syrup by yourself. Stay tuned, guys. This is my wife, Stephanie.
Hello.
And I'm Fix It Chris 123 Go. Today we're going to show you guys how to make a caramel flavored coffee syrup by yourself at home. How do I do? This is my wife, Stephanie.
Hello.
And I'm Fix It Chris 123 Go. Today we're going to show you guys just how to make caramel coffee syrup at home. What you guys are going to need is a measuring cup, extra bottles. Dollar Tree used to sell flavored syrups, and they no longer do. Because my wife and I used to use these syrups a lot in our coffee, we were kind of heartbroken about it. Not really heartbroken, but we needed to figure out another way. So you're going to need caramel syrup, a measuring cup, and this is for the sugar substitute. You can use sugar. What we used to do is use 2 cups of sugar, but now that we're on a better diet, trying to take care of ourselves better, we use the artificial sweetener. And for 2 cups of sugar, the artificial sweetener is going to be 48 packs or 48 grams of the artificial sweetener. You're also going to need a pan, just a regular saucepan. Okay, here's your 2 cups of water. First you want to add that to your pan. And then the 48 packs of artificial sweetener or 2 cups of sugar. It's great both ways, so you can do it how you want to do it. And then you want to take your heat down to a little over medium. Stir this stuff up.
Bring it to a boil, and then it's got to simmer for 15 minutes.
That's my wife, Stephanie.
Hello.
She's beautiful. With this being substitute sugar or artificial sweetener, basically it breaks down quickly. So what we're going to do is go ahead and add in the caramel, which is going to be a half a cup. Okay, you're just going to add that straight to your mix. And I don't think it matters whether you use a liquid measuring cup or a solid measuring cup. I don't think it really makes a difference. This is all to your taste too. So if you want it sweeter, add more sweetener or sugar. If you want it more liquidy, add more water. This is just the base so that you guys get an idea of what the recipe is.
And that's it. It's done.
It just needs to be cooled down and put in the bottles now. Okay, this is the packaging apparatus that we have going on. And we have this funnel, and then another bottle. And then we've got our stuff here. We're going to let it cool down and then put it into the bottle. Okay? Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this helps you. And if you do like it, then please like the video. Check out my other videos also. We do a lot of recipes together, and we're also starting a garden